Monty Python's personal best. Um, we look at some of the sketches that Monty Python's team, the best comedy team ever, in my view. So we see what the favorites are, but in a bizarre, unfortunate setup, I think. So we have some interviewer, alleged interviewer, going to John Cleese's house, who's 96 in this show, and asking him about things about his favorite. And he is trying to be funny, but he's not. He's just obnoxious. Well, he's playing the obnoxious card, evidently, but he doesn't want. He's playing an old fool who is everything racist, arrogant, medieval, you name it, and then we laugh at Martin, and it's, you know, almost a sacrilege. Less majesty, even if it's John Cleese kicking himself down from the pedestal where he will always be in my book, and clearly in the mind of so many other fans, people who love Monty Python so much. And though it's understandable, again, we're not stupid, we see that he is laughing at himself. So that in itself is praiseworthy. Shows modesty, man, that he can see that, okay, the way to is not, let's sit down and we have a decent, ordinary conversation, but let's present another side of a decrepit old fool, 96, with many wives, lots of his own situation, financial trouble. I don't know, I didn't know about that. It might be, and he's putting it out there. Suki, so a woman who is 76 years younger, if not more, refers to her natural assets, but still is more than patronizing, insulting her. That's all she is. Maybe even says she's dumb, insinuating or making it clear. Anyway, it doesn't say. And so much more ridiculous. They come to help him. He's kicking the nurse down in the pool. So now, getting down to what he likes. He has a sketch he mentions, and that's very good. Monty Python, Flying Circus, happiness. They take on happiness. An excess, in fact. Excess more than just being happy. Always look on the bright side is, of course, a popular, well-known theme. The end of the Bride for Brian, attacked by zealots, of course, fundamentalists, but referenced even in Jack Nicholson is singing it in As Good As It Gets, and in other places. So in this realm, in this kingdom, you have a peculiar excess. People are not allowed to be unhappy. So they sentence this man, and they laugh all the way through it, because he's not mirthful. He's not joyful all the time. That's comical. That's something stupid, and we should laugh at it. I don't think it's one of the best sketches, but it shows their concern with with the original themes, their creativity and so on. Then he puts on the banana, what you do when you're attacked by men holding a cherry, banana, and fruit. But also, so if you ask me about, you don't, but I'll just put it here. Some of my favorites would be the garage when it's Michael Palin brings in the car, or Graham Chapman. It might be Graham Chapman and Michael Palin is the mechanic. I have some trouble bringing it. I am bringing it. Never have any problem with it. Well, the brakes. Never had a problem. Push it, but he pretends he plays stupid. He's such a comical, outrageous way. Brakes don't work clearly, but he doesn't want to show it. He never had a problem with this guy. Never had a problem. Bring it in. That's the final, the end of the sketch. He keeps bringing. Well, okay, if you have a lot, bring it. Doesn't change gears. Doesn't do anything. Pretends to push to one the owner, the beneficiary of those lousy services and products. He's pushing the brake and the car will move, but only the car is not moving really. And then the Indian restaurant, that was such a spectacle of comedy with a waiter who is exaggerating, again exaggerations with hospitality, with good service. Good service is one thing, but like, oh, let me lick it for you. Oh, I'm such a stupid. The fork, this fork has a little bit of tiny microscopic particle of dust, which is, I'll kick myself. It starts banging and on the wall, kicking, and it's hilarious.